This viral item is literally everywhere right now. This hidden gem is going viral globally and for a massive reason. This might just most satisfying is proving to be a complete game changer. The secret behind its huge popularity is simple. It looks sleek and fits perfectly into any modern setup. It brings professional level utility straight to your hands. You will absolutely love how it saves you so much time. It saves you energy, money, and unnecessary headaches from day one. It is truly a premium solution, without the heavy premium price tag. Thousands of buyers are obsessed with it before it sells out everywhere. This viral item is literally everywhere right now. This hidden gem is going viral globally and for a massive reason. This might just most satisfying is proving to be a